BJBBBNBNBN. Google raises the bar once again with the Pixel 10 Pro series, an impressive upgrade to its predecessor that perfectly marries hardware brilliance, cutting-edge software, and advanced AI features. This trio of models, the Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold, is designed to cater to a spectrum of user preferences. While the iconic Pixel design remains, this series introduces the game-changing Tensor G5 chip and a suite of AI-powered enhancements to redefine the smartphone experience. Why the Pixel 10 Pro series stands out. The Pixel 10 Pro series is tailored to meet diverse needs with three uniquely crafted models. Pixel 10 Pro, compact and practical, its 6.3-inch display makes it a powerhouse of portability and performance. Pixel 10 Pro XL, with a 6.8-inch immersive screen, it's the perfect companion for productivity enthusiasts and entertainment seekers. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's bold leap into foldable technology, boasting a versatile 8-inch inner display, ideal for tech lovers craving innovation. Each model shares a harmonious design language that echoes Google's attention to detail. While the Pro and XL models retain the sleek, horizontal camera bar, the Fold features a chic vertical camera pill, ensuring a seamless blend of modernity and familiarity. Revolutionary AI-driven camera features. Renowned for pioneering smartphone photography, the Pixel 10 Pro series delivers yet another photography masterclass. With advanced AI software, users can expect sharper details and more vibrant colors for jaw-dropping shots. Improved low-light photography that captures brilliance even in the darkest settings. Enhanced computational photography, enabling professional-grade results with ease. Whether you're snapping everyday memories or exploring your creative side, these features empower everyone to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Tensor G5 chip, the brain behind the magic. At the core of the Pixel 10 Pro series lies the Tensor G5 chip, co-developed with TSMC and built on cutting-edge 3nm technology. This powerhouse processor elevates performance, energy efficiency, and AI capabilities to unprecedented heights. Key highlights include Pixel Sense Assistant, an AI that learns your habits, automates tasks, and delivers hyper-personalized suggestions. Seamless multitasking with faster app loads and ultra-smooth performance. Enhanced voice recognition for intuitive and accurate interactions. With the Tensor G5 chip, the Pixel 10 Pro series redefines performance, combining intelligent features with everyday usability to deliver a truly groundbreaking experience.